Face that way. Face back to Grandad. Grandad, I never thought I'd get you on a board. How's your cup of tea? I'm going to start my daily vlog.
Can you put the temple one, please?
Yeah. Today is Sunday the 30th of May, and I've decided that from today I'm going to upload a video every single day, at least for 1 week. Yeah, just this week. So I'm going to call this my 7-day upload challenge. And the whole reason why I've chosen this week is because, one, it's a bank holiday, so I'm actually only working 4 days this week. So I should be able to upload a decent video today and tomorrow. Tuesday's going to be difficult because I'm back to work, because nobody wants to see me sat behind a desk for 8 hours a day, so I'm not going to be shooting that, don't worry. It's more of a challenge to myself, whether I can do it or not. I'm still going to try and make these videos as interesting as I possibly can. Like today we're off to the beach. If you're not interested in my day-to-day, just don't watch. You know, starting next week, the regular Love Sundays uploads will be back on anyway, but it's a challenge and I'm hoping to stand up to it. The thing I love about a day at the beach with the family is always just having fun with the nephews, right?
Going in the sea.
Right, and going in the sea.
Paddleboarding.
Did we bring the paddleboard? We need to park in the other car park on the other side.
I can't believe it.
I know. Yeah, it's bank holiday. It's high tide, so we've got to wait for the waves to go out before we can set up. Got a big enough mat? So busy here. Whose idea was it to come to the beach on a bank holiday? My mum's probably. And they're not even here yet. Nice t-shirt. Where's it from?
Camper.
Oh right, okay. Okay, we definitely need one of these for the paddleboard. So I was having a nice little walk along Maenporth Beach and bumped into some people that watch Love Sundays. So do you want to say anything, guys?
Hi!
First people I've met that I don't know that watch the videos, so ideal. No, I'm just on here.
Both of those if I need to.
See, teamwork, you can work it out. On my way.
Careful, Ram, Uncle Sean.
Thanks.
I got orange.
Jack, you coming in the water?
Yeah. I'm climbing so.
Yeah?
Mummy, I'm beach ready. Maybe.
I got.
Yeah, he went down and got it himself. Because I wouldn't have put him in there.
I'll come.
We're going.
I'll go on.
Are you
It's chobby for him here.
I'm a pilot. It's gonna get cold, Bubba.
But wait. What? Since he put his feet on, he's gonna say, no, I'm not going. Watch.
You can't stand on it.
Oh,
You can't.
say it's less wavy here.
Yeah, it is less wavy here. Come on then, Jack. Paddle then, or just hold on. You holding on? Right, do you want to see if you can catch a wave, Jack?
Yeah.
Face that way. Face back to Grandad.
Grandad, I never thought I'd get you on a board.
Here you go, Squirrel.
Is that better?
Squirrel. My legs are already tired.
Yeah, we'll take you in now.
I can't do that. I can't do this.
You're going to go back into Mummy.
Well, you won't get to go and see. It's just the got to squeeze.
Sun's out, guns out.
Sun's out. Shine your head out.
Sun's out, Tom's out.
That's because.
Can you do that again?
Embarrassing for me.
What a great day at the beach. I think I'm going to leave it there. I'll see you tomorrow.